Hello, in front of me I've got Panasonic headphones. In this video I'll show you buttons, controls. In the beginning, take a look at your headphones. Right here we've got the plus button, thanks to which we can increase the volume if we press it. And if we press and hold it, we'll skip to the next song. Here we've got the minus button, thanks to which we can decrease the volume. And if we press and hold it, we can skip to the previous song. Press bass button to activate enhanced bass. Press and hold this button to turn your headphones off or on. Also, if you press and hold it while turning on, you can enter pairing mode. Here we've got the charging port and 3.5mm headphones jack. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.